Watch this AI agent write an entire proposal from a transcript link. It's a simple workflow where you fill out a form, the AI agent extracts the key information from a transcript, updates a proposal template, downloads it as a PDF, and sends it off in an email directly to the client. So you got to remember, writing proposals drains momentum. After a discovery call, you're formatting headers, hunting pain points, and re-editing the same sections over and over again. And then something else interrupts your day. So by the time it's ready, the lead's already gone cold. So let's replace all that manual effort with an AI agent that does it instantly and better than you could ever. So here's the demo. Here's my transcript with John after we held a discovery session to go through his manual pain points. I'm going to copy this URL up here, press on execute workflow, and then fill out his name, John Smith, his email, Magic Co, and as well as the URL, and then click on submit. Here you'll see that the proposal writer is getting the transcript. Now it's thinking about what pain points it's extracting. It's copying the proposal template and updates that template with the pain points before downloading the file as a PDF and shooting an email to John. And here we have it. You can see there's the proposal for John Smith, Magic Co, with just a brief email telling him that I've attached the proposal. And we can see here the PDF proposal that's been automatically generated by the AI agent. So let's see how I did this. The first step is we need to create a form. And on this form, there are going to be a bunch of required fields, such as their first name, last name, email, company name, as well as the transcript URL. We'll then pass these fields to our AI agent. And you'll see here, I've got a prompt that has all of those fields: first name, last name, email, company name, as well as the sales call transcript link. I've created a very specific system message. The first part is that they must use the Get Google Docs tool to retrieve the meeting transcript. Underneath there, you can see I've also passed through the client information, and I've given them a step-by-step task where they need to identify the clear pain points, write a concise solution statement, write a concise why this works explanation, and then output their findings in a specific JSON format. So you'll see here I've got prospect first name, last name, company name, the problem statement 1, 2, 3, solution statement, and why this works. So in order to make this AI agent work, we'll need to do two things. The first is give them the Get Google Docs tool. And here we've just added our Google Docs credential. We've used the operation get, and I'm letting the AI define the URL of the Google Doc. This will come from when I enter the URL on the form. The second part is I need to have a structured output parser. So these are the fields that I want the AI agent to output. So remember their first name, last name, company, problem statements 1, 2, 3, solution statement, and why this works. The reason that we need to have a structured JSON output is because our proposal template, which you can see right here, has dynamic fields which will be populated automatically by the AI agent. So you can see here, we're going to use the merge fields for the first name, last name, as well as their company name. We're going to add the problem statements 1, 2, and 3, as well as the solution statement and why this works. So back to our n8n workflow, the first thing we need to do is copy that proposal template. So to do this, I've just set my credentials, the operation is copy, the file is from the proposal template, and I'm going to rename it as a proposal for the first name, last name, dash company name. And I'm going to specify that this file needs to be copied to my proposals folder. Now the next step is where all the magic really happens. In this updated document node, we're going to reference the file that we've just copied. So we'll pass in the JSON ID, and we're going to use the find and replace text action. So what we'll do is we'll replace the old text, so the prospect's first name, with the values that have come from either the form or from the AI agent. So prospect first name will be from the form that we've entered, their first name, last name, company name. And then we'll use the AI agent's output to replace the problem statement 1, problem statement 2, problem statement 3, solution statement, and why this works. So after our proposal has been updated, it's going to look like this. So you'll see now all the fields have been updated and replaced with the values set from either the form or the AI agent. After that, we're going to go ahead and download the doc file and save it as a PDF. So we'll use the Google Drive download file, and we're going to pass in the JSON document ID and save all the file formats as PDF, 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 PDF. Finally, we're going to leverage the Gmail node to send an email to the person. So you'll see here I've connected my Gmail account credentials. The operation is send. I'll send it to the email that was on the form submission. The subject will be the proposal for their first name, last name, dash company. And then the email type will be text, but I've just put, hi first name, thanks for your time. I've put together a one-page proposal outlining company's key challenges and how our AI services can help solve them. You'll find the document attached. But you can just personalize it to send the email however you'd like. Finally, we're gonna add an option, append n8n attribution, and we're gonna turn it off. So after that, make sure you save everything, and that's it. So if you'd like this free ready-made automation, just comment proposal in the video below. And don't forget to join my automation vault where you'll get access to all my ready-made n8n templates for free. The link's in the bio. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more n8n tutorials.